Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your age range in the Impulse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Here you will see your profile. Now click on the settings button on the top of the page on the left. And here you can see the age range line. So click on that. And now you can select your age range, and this will help the application to decide what kind of games to offer you. So I will select mine, and if you selected it, just click on save. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.